Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I just wanted to share with you a super relaxing just garden tour. My channel is nowhere near of trying to be perfect or having everything just perfect. It's just about where I'm at the moment, where the garden is at, where the home is at. But today I just wanted to, just share with you how everything has just sprung with spring. I have a lot of cutting back, a lot of work to do in the garden, but it's just a beautiful place at this moment. I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope that you will enjoy it. I hope you will take a moment to subscribe and like and share and comment. I just love being able to inspire and give you all some ideas. And if I do that, please let me know. And I appreciate your time in watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.
If I'm lost along the way, if I wander off onto a different trail, will you forgive me if I fail when I'm lost and derailed? If I cry when I'm blue, if I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry when I'm blue, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? When I am calling your name. If I'm wrong when you are right, if I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I'm wrong and you're right, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do when I am cold? if I'm lost along the way. I don't wanna fall. Close my eyes, not pretend at all. I don't wanna start every day looking out and up. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, tell me your secrets and I'll hide them away aside. Keep them real safe in the palm of my hand, in between the palm of my hands, in between the palm of my hands. Oh. Don't understand. You just come and go as you plan. Oh, what about meaning? Tell me, whatever happened to leaning? Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, tell me your secrets and I'll hide them away aside. Keep them real safe in the palm of my hand, in between the palm of my hands, in between the palm of my hands. No, we don't have to start every day looking out and up. Trust me, I got it all figured out. 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 I got it all figured out. was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. I thought you saved me when I was down, but what you're doing has hurt me now. 'Cause I've been in the fire line way too long. I've been in the fire line way too long. You hit me, baby, you shot me down. My heart is bleeding, I'm scarred for life. 'Cause I've been in the fire line way too long. You held me in the fire line way too long. What you said is playing on repeat in my head. Baby, you hurt me bad, but that's all you do now. That's all you do now. You shot me down. You shot me down. You shot me down. You shot me down. You're screaming at me, what did I do? All I've done wrong is loving you. 'Cause I've been spending all my time with you. Yeah, I've been spending all my time with you. You know I thought you saved me when I was down, but what you're doing is hurting me now. 'Cause I've been in the fire line way too long. Yeah, I've been in the fire line way too long. What you said is playing on repeat in my head. Baby, you hurt me bad, but that's all you do now. That's all you do now. You shot me down. You shot me down. You shot me down. You shot me down. Oh, you shot me down. You shot me down. You hit me, baby. You shot me down. My heart is bleeding. I'm scarred for life. 'Cause I've been in the fire line way too long. Yeah, I've been in the... You shot me down. you were all he wants. And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about